Hello, iPhone users. Today, we'll walk you through the simple screen recording process on your iPhone. Whether you want to capture a tutorial, gameplay, or anything else on your screen, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and swipe down from the top right corner, iPhone 10 and later, or swipe up from the bottom of the screen, iPhone 8 and earlier, to access the control center. Ensure that the screen recording feature is available in your control center. If not, let's move to the next step to add it. If the screen recording icon isn't in your control center, let's add it. Open your iPhone's Settings app. Scroll down and select Control Center, then tap Customize Controls. Find Screen Recording in the list of available controls. Tap the green plus icon next to it to add it to your control center. Now that the screen recording option is added, return to the home screen or the app you want to record. Swipe down or up to access the control center, then tap the screen recording icon. A countdown timer will appear, giving you a moment to prepare. Once the countdown finishes, the status bar at the top of your screen will turn red, indicating that the screen recording has started. Now, perform the actions or navigate through your iPhone as you wish. Remember, anything you do on your screen will be recorded. Step 5. Stop screen recording. When you're done recording, tap the red status bar at the top of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to stop recording. Tap Stop to end the recording. Your screen recording will be saved to your Photos app automatically. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded your iPhone screen. Check your Photos app to find the recorded video. Have fun capturing and sharing your screen moments.